Imagine a world where every moment, every interaction, and every memory can be captured, managed, and enjoyed with a gadget that fits right in your pocket. Enter the realm of smartphones, where the choice of device can redefine your digital experience. Among the myriad options, one stands out for its seamless integration of hardware and software, the Google Pixel 8a. At the heart of the Pixel 8e beats the innovative Tensor G3 processor. This powerhouse not only accelerates the phone's performance, but also enhances every interaction with more personalized responses and smarter features. Whether it's processing high-resolution images or managing multiple applications simultaneously, the Tensor G3 ensures that the Pixel 8a operates smoothly and swiftly. Now consider the freedom of connectivity. The Pixel 8a emerges as a champion of versatility with its unlocked status. This means users have the luxury of selecting their preferred carrier without being tethered to one service provider. It supports all major carriers, although it's essential to